it's a big deal. I think there are still a lot of folks out there who are waiting.
Dr. Cameron Webb of the White House Task Force tells me this full FDA approval of the Pfizer vaccine couldn't come soon enough. A recent poll by the Kaiser Family Foundation found 3 of 10 unvaccinated people say they would be more likely to get vaccinated with a shot that's fully approved and not just under emergency authorization.
We have, data that shows us that possibly 1/3 of the folks who weren't yet vaccinated we're thinking that that FDA approval, that full approval, would be really compelling to them.
But then there is the argument from those who allege the full approval itself was rushed.
That would be a concern that people would say, well, you rushed the final approval for political reasons.
Dr. Larry Bush says, though, because millions of people have received the vaccine, the drug company was able to have a much bigger pool of data than in a typical small vaccine trial.
In this case, they were able to follow millions of people who got a vaccine because of the EUA, and therefore rapidly could determine the efficacy and the safety, even though it's not been 2 to 4 years.
With the full FDA approval, more public and private businesses will likely require employees and, in some cases, customers to become vaccinated as confidence in the vaccine's safety rises.
These vaccines have been thoroughly vetted, rigorously reviewed, and found to be safe and effective.
And I reached out to the Palm Beach County Healthcare District to see if anyone has been calling there today to say, yeah, I want to sign up now, but they say so far that hasn't happened. But doctors are hoping that's going to change. If you'd like to find out where you can easily get a free vaccination, go to your local health department's website. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.